In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your LinkedIn profile strength. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a strong LinkedIn profile is essential for standing out in the competitive job market. So let's dive into the process of checking your profile strength step by step. First, start by exporting your profile as a PDF. To do this, navigate to your LinkedIn profile by logging into your account. Once you're on your profile page, look for the More button. This is typically located in your Introduction section, right near the Open To button. Now, click on that More button, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Save to PDF. This will allow you to download all your profile data in a neat PDF format. Next, we're going to visit an analysis website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to resumeworded.com. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create a free one. It's a simple process that just requires basic information. After you've signed up and logged in, it's time to upload your PDF. On the website, find the option that allows you to upload or import your LinkedIn PDF. This might be labeled as a LinkedIn review or profile scanner. Click on that option and select the PDF file you just downloaded from LinkedIn. Make sure to check that you've selected the right file before proceeding. Now it's time to review your results. This part may take a moment as the tool processes your information. Be patient. Once it's done, the website will provide you with a profile strength score, as well as detailed feedback about your visibility and hireability. This is crucial information that can greatly improve your profile. As you review your results, pay close attention to the specific suggestions provided. The tool will guide you on which sections of your profile you may need to edit, add, or fix to fully optimize your professional brand. This feedback is designed to help you enhance your presence on LinkedIn, increasing your chances of being noticed by potential employers or business connections. To recap, you first exported your profile as a PDF, went to the analysis website, created an account if necessary, uploaded your PDF, and then reviewed your profile strength results. By following these steps, you now have valuable insights into how to make your LinkedIn profile not just good, but great. Thank you for watching. I hope you find these steps helpful in optimizing your LinkedIn profile. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like the video for more useful tips on professional development. Happy networking!